Let us discuss the question number 8. So let's see what is the question first. A and B, two particles moving with velocities v and 2v along positive x direction. Find the relative velocity of A with respect to B and B with respect to A. So if you consider what chapter it is motion in again one dimension only. Motion in one dimension, and the concept is relative velocity. Relative velocity, and what mathematics plays role here is vector. Always whenever you are finding or when you want to find relative velocity, you must try to consider vector form, then it will become easier. Then you won't get any confusion in my opinion. Like, what is the relative velocity of A with respect to B? VA bar minus VB bar. What is the relative velocity of B with respect to A? VB bar minus VA bar. Similarly, you take the same thing. Now two particles A and B are there. So first write the VA bar VB bar in vector form. As they are moving along positive x direction, how can you represent in vector form? What is the direction representation for x-axis? I cap. Positive x-axis means I cap plus I cap. Negative x-axis means minus I cap. So here VA bar will become, the magnitude is V, so I cap. VB bar will become 2V I cap. Then VAB, velocity of A with respect to B. Now A with respect to B. That is VA bar minus VB bar equal to VA is V I cap minus 2V I cap. So V minus 2V is minus V I cap. So the direction of relative velocity of A with respect to B is along minus I cap, that is along negative x-axis. So if you take the vector form, then you will get the direction also automatically. That's why try to consider always in vector form. Then similarly, if you consider B with respect to A, that is VBA bar. So B with respect to A means VB bar minus VA bar. So VB is 2V I cap minus V I cap equal to V I cap. So it is plus I cap. So velocity of B with respect to A will become, it is along positive x-axis. It is along positive x-axis. Like if they are moving along both positive x-axis, one is moving with less velocity, one is moving with greater velocity. So the one which is moving greater velocity, it is ahead. So it is ahead in the direction of what? Positive x-axis. That's why positive direction. The one which is behind the other one, so it is lagging. Lagging in which direction? Negative x-axis, backward. So forward, backward. That's why it is negative x-axis. So that way magnitude is also important, direction is also important. But these things you will get it properly only when you use the vector notation. That is the advantage of using vector notation in solving some numericals. So hope you understood. Thank you.